good at anything as a man, it becomes very difficult to get that, what can you say, value in society that's going to be attractive to other people.
Yeah.
Am I on the right lines?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I've kind of said this to a couple of podcasts where I just say that women in general, they fall in love in three phases. And if you really want her loyalty, you just have to do these three steps. The first step to get your foot in the door and to really get her actual loyalty, she has to be attracted to you. Women can't really fully be in love with a man that they're not truly attracted to, because it's the quickest way to make her loyal. When she's truly attracted to a man, other men become invisible, and the idea of sleeping with other men becomes less exciting. But when she's not attracted to men, she'll still seek validation. She'll still seek something. So I do think the first step is attraction. That will just get your foot in the door. The second step is that she has to admire you as a man. So if she's just attracted to you and then she realizes that you're broke and you're not doing anything, she might sleep with you, but that won't last. The infatuation will turn into an ick. It's like, oh, he's such a loser. So that will quickly turn into an ick unless she admires you. And by admiration, you just have to be competent at what you decided you're good at. Whatever it is that you decided you're good at, you've really learned how to be a problem solver, decision maker. You're basically an admirable human being. You have some self-control in areas of your life which leads to a productive life for both you and her. And if you're admirable and attractive, you've got like a celebrity status, she still might stay away from you. But the final stage is you then have to adore her. So it's like 3 A's: attraction, admiration, and then adoration. And then what I mean by adoring her, it doesn't mean you're begging her and loving her. It just means that her love for you, now you've decided to then adore her as a result, and then maybe marry her, have a child with her, be loyal to her. But you've decided to come full circle and reward her love for you. So it kind of goes in those 3 stages. If you are just an admirable man that really adores her, she might marry you and be safe and get married to you, but she'll miss that spark, and that's when the disloyalty happens. Or if you're just really, really adore her, but she doesn't admire you and she's not attracted to you, immediately she gets repulsed by you. So without those 3 ingredients kind of in that order, if one of them's missing, at some stage the relationship might break down or she might lose her love.